Have you ever felt stuck? Like you have so much potential, so much to give to the world, but your English holds you back? Imagine if you could walk into any room, any job interview, or any conversation and speak with total confidence. Today is not just another English lesson. Today, we change your life. Welcome to Focus English, the podcast. I am Isabella, your English guide and coffee lover.
And I am Henry. Oh, no, Isabella, I am so sorry. I was trying to be cool and drink my coffee like a movie star, but my hands were too excited. Today is a big day.
It is okay, Henry. Luckily, it is a dark shirt. But why are you so excited today? You are vibrating with energy.
Because, Isabella, today's the day I changed my life. I am ready to speak English fluently and confidently. I feel it in my bones. I feel like a superhero.
That is wonderful, Henry. I love that energy. And you know what? You are in the right place. Does learning English really change your life?
Yes. I mean, you tell me, does it?
Absolutely, Henry. Think about it. When you speak a new language, you get a new job. You meet new people. You travel to new places. It opens doors that were locked before. Today, we're going to practice a situation that can really change your life, the job interview.
Oh, wow, the job interview. That is scary. In my language, I get nervous. In English, I think I might faint.
No fainting today, Henry. That's why we're here. We're going to practice until you feel confident. We'll learn the specific words, the phrases, and the confidence tricks to help you get the job.
Okay, if this helps me get a better job, I am ready. Let's change my life.
Excellent. Grab a napkin for that shirt, take a deep breath, and let's begin. We're going to imagine you are applying for a big international company. Are you ready to walk into the office?
Yes, I am ready. I am shaking a little, but I am ready.
Okay, Henry, close your eyes. Imagine the room. It's a beautiful modern office. The sun is shining through the window. There's a big desk and a comfortable chair. I'm the manager. You are the candidate. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Come in.
Hello, good morning or afternoon.
Good morning. Please sit down. Make yourself comfortable. Can I offer you some water?
Yes, please. Water is good. My throat is dry.
Here you go. So, Henry, I have your paper here. I see you want to work with us.
Yes, I want this job very much. I am a hard worker. I work, very strong.
You work very hard.
Yes, I work very hard. And I learn fast.
That is good to hear. Can you tell me a little about yourself? What's your background?
My background. Uh, I like football, and I have a dog, and, I speak English a little bit.
Okay, that's a start. But in a job interview, we need to talk about your work history. We need to talk about your experience.
I knew I would make a mistake. Background is for history class, not for jobs, right?
Exactly. And I like football is nice, but it doesn't get you hired. We need to use professional words. Let's stop the scene here. Henry, you did okay for a first try, but we need to upgrade your vocabulary.
Please, Isabella, teach me. I want to sound smart.
Of course. Let's look at the 6 most important words for this life-changing situation. The first word is resume.
Resume? Like resume? Like when a car goes fast again?
No, Henry, that is a different word. A resume, spelled R-E-S-U-M-E, is a document. It is a paper with your work history. It has your name, your phone number, your old jobs, and your education. In some countries, people call it a CV.
Ah, okay. The paper I give to the boss.
Exactly. When you walk into an interview, you usually give them a copy of your resume. You say, "Here is my resume."
Here is my resume. Okay, I have that.
Great. The second word is experience. You tried to talk about this in the scene.
Yes, I didn't know what to say.
Experience means the skills you have learned from doing jobs in the past. If you worked in a restaurant for 2 years, you have experience in customer service.
I see. So if I worked in a shop, I have experience in selling.
Yes, and in an interview, you should talk about your experience. You can say, "I have 5 years of experience in sales." It sounds very professional.
I have 5 years of experience. I like that. It makes me sound important.
You are important, Henry. Now, the next two words go together like salt and pepper, strengths and weaknesses.
Oh, I've heard these words. They are hard.
They can be tricky. A strength is something you are good at, a superpower. For example, you are very funny, Henry. That is a social strength. But at work, a strength might be, "I am good with computers," or "I am a good leader."
Okay, so a strength is good. What about a weakness? That sounds bad. Do I have to tell them I am bad at things?
It feels strange, yes. A weakness is something you need to improve on. Everyone has weaknesses. The trick is to be honest, but show that you want to get better. You shouldn't say, "I am lazy." That is too honest.
Okay, definitely do not say I am lazy. What is a good weakness then?
You could say, "I am sometimes a little slow, but I always check my work twice so there are no mistakes." You turn the weakness into a positive thing.
That is clever. So strength equals good thing, weakness equals thing I am fixing.
Perfect. Now, this is the word everyone loves, salary.
Salary, yes, the money.
Yes, the money you get paid for your work. Usually, we talk about monthly salary or yearly salary.
Okay, I can ask, what is the salary?
You can, but be polite. Say, "May I ask about the salary range?" But wait, Henry, you have to be careful. Don't confuse salary with celery.
Celery, the green vegetable?
Yes, some students say, "I want a high celery," and the boss says, "I can give you a lot of celery, but I cannot pay you money."
No. Oh my God, that would be terrible. I want $1,000 a month versus I want 1,000 sticks of celery.
Yes, so repeat after me. Salary, money.
Salary, money, no vegetables.
Good. And our final keyword is hired.
Hired?
Yes, it means the boss gives you the job. When you get the phone call saying you got the job, that means you are hired. It's the happy word. It's the word that changes your life.
I want to be hired. I want to hear that word so much.
Then you must practice, Henry. You have the words now: resume, experience, strengths, weaknesses, salary, and hired. Are you feeling more confident?
A little bit, but talking is still fast. My brain thinks in my language, then translates, then speaks. It's slow.
That's normal, but we can speed it up. We're going to do the interactive practice. I'll be the boss again, and I will ask you questions. You must answer using our new keywords. I want you to speak slowly, but don't translate. Just feel the words. Are you ready?
Okay, I am ready. Let's do it. Isabella the boss is back.
Good morning, Henry. Thank you for coming in today. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you for seeing me.
I have looked at your resume. It is very impressive. Can you tell me about your work experience?
Yes, I have worked in marketing for 3 years. I also have experience managing a team.
That is excellent. We need someone with leadership skills. Now, tell me, what would you say is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is problem solving. When there is a problem, I do not stop until I fix it.
Very good. And what is one weakness?
Sometimes I focus too much on details, but I am learning to work faster.
I appreciate your honesty, Henry. We are looking for someone who pays attention to detail, so that is not a bad weakness here. Now, we have to talk about money. What are your expectations for your salary?
Based on my experience, I am looking for a fair salary, but I am flexible because I really want to work here.
I like your attitude, Henry. You have passed the first test. I will call you tomorrow to let you know if you are hired.
Thank you so much. I will wait for your call.
And cut.
I did it! Did you hear me, Isabella? I used all the words. I didn't even ask for vegetables.
Bravo, Henry. That was fantastic. You sounded natural, polite, and professional. Your pronunciation was clear, and your sentences were complete.
I felt a little nervous when you asked about the salary, but I remembered the phrase you taught me.
That is the key, Henry. Preparation kills the nerves. When you know the words, you are in control. You did a wonderful job. Listeners, I hope you practiced along with Henry at home. Pause the audio and try it again if you need to.
Yes, practice makes perfect. But Isabella, what happens if I get into the interview and I forget a word? Or if the boss speaks too fast? My brain might freeze again.
That happens to everyone, even native speakers. But in our next segment, we are going to solve that. We are going to learn what to do when there's a problem.
Okay, so imagine I am in the interview. Everything is going well. I am saying salary correctly. But then the boss asks a question I don't understand. What do I do?
First, do not panic. Do not just say yes or no if you don't understand. That is a mistake. You need to buy time.
Buy time? Like I pay for it?
No, Henry. It means you need a few seconds to think. You can use a phrase like, "That is an interesting question." It gives you time to breathe.
That is an interesting question. Okay. But what if I really don't understand the word?
Then you ask for clarification politely. You can say, "Could you please rephrase that?"
Rephrase?
It means say it in a different way. Or you can say, "I'm not sure I understood that correctly. Did you mean," and you guess what they meant.
Ah, that is smart. So I show I'm trying, but I ask for help.
Exactly. Let's try a mini scenario. I'm the boss again. I'll ask a difficult question. You're nervous and you didn't catch it.
Okay.
All right, so what are your long-term goals for this role in the company?
Uh, Goals? Sorry, Isabella. You sounded like a super fast train.
See, it happens. What do you say?
I say, I am sorry. Could you please speak a little slower? Or could you please repeat that?
Perfect. Or you can say, "I didn't quite catch that. Could you say it again?"
I didn't quite catch that. I like that. It sounds polite. It doesn't sound like my English is bad.
Exactly. It sounds like a communication issue, not a skill issue. Remember, a job interview is a conversation. You're allowed to ask questions. It shows you're listening carefully.
I feel much better. Knowing what to do when things go wrong makes me less scared of it happening.
That is confidence, Henry. And now you are ready to change your life. You have the vocabulary, the practice, and the emergency plan.
Wow, we covered a lot today. I feel like my brain is full of new English power.
Let's empty that brain a little bit and review. Here are your 6 life-changing words for the job interview.
Okay, let's see if I remember.
Number 1, the paper with your job history.
Resume,
Excellent. Number 2, the skills you learned from working.
experience,
Great. Number 3, something you are very good at.
strengths,
Good. Number 4, something you need to improve.
weaknesses,
Fantastic. Number 5, the money you get paid, not the vegetable.
salary.
Correct. And number 6, when the boss gives you the job.
Hired.
Henry, you got a perfect score. You are officially ready.
Thank you, Isabella. I really feel like I can go to an interview now and not cry.
You will be great. Remember, smile, be polite, and use these words. You have the power to speak English fluently and confidently.
That was a good episode. I need another coffee, though. All this brain work makes me thirsty.
Me too. Let's go get a coffee.
Wait, Isabella, before we go, I have the question of the day for our listeners.
Oh, yes. What is it?
The question is, what is your dream job? Do you want to be a teacher, a pilot, a chef, or maybe a professional eater of celery?
Henry, please, no more celery.
Okay, seriously, tell us in the comments below, what is your dream job? And try to use one of the words we learned today. Tell us your strengths for that job.
That is a great question. We love reading your answers. They make us very happy. Thank you for listening to Focus English, the podcast. Remember to subscribe, share with your friends, and practice every day.
Yes, practice. Don't be shy. Speak loud. Speak proud. Change your life.
See you in the next episode, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye. So, Isabella, if I get hired, do I get free celery?
Henry, stop it.